Barcelona. It is often said that Barcelona is more than a city. But what does that mean exactly? This video will make you feel the famous Spanish vibes and will make you wanna explore this fascinating city. Let's start our exploration directly with one of the most famous and beautiful attractions, Sagrada Familia. First time I saw it, I couldn't take my eyes off it, and if you're scanning it closely, you'll always observe new architectural elements. This masterpiece was dedicated by the Catalan architect Antoni Gaudi, and it is the largest unfinished Roman Catholic church. Gaudi devoted his life to the project, and today he is buried into the crypt. At the time of his death in 1926, less than 25% of the project was complete. During his lifetime, Gaudi completed the crypt and the nativity facade at the side, which has been declared a World Heritage Site. The church consists of a basilica floor plan with 5 naves and a 3-sided transept that represent a symbolic Latin cross. The basilica also has 3 monumental facades, each one representing one of the pivotal moments in the life of Christ: his birth, his passion, death and resurrection, and his present and future glory. The highest tower of all will be dedicated to Christ the Savior and will be more than 170 meters high. Casamila or La Pedrera is another stunning architectural masterpiece created by the genius of Gaudi. Plaza de España, or in English, Place of Spain, is one of Barcelona's most important squares, built on the occasion of the 1929 Barcelona International Exposition. In the middle of the square, the famous Venetian towers will surely make an impression on you. Right in front of Plaza de España, you will spot proudly sitting on the top of Montjuic Hill, the National Palace. Since 1934, it has been home to the National Art Museum with a collection of over 5,000 artworks. You should not miss the light and water show offered by the Magic Fountain of Montjuic. Also, another reason to visit the palace is that the view from the top is simply breathtaking. The arch was built by architect Josep Vilaseca y Casanovas as the main access gate for the 1888 Barcelona World Fair. You'll find similar arches in Paris, London, New York or Bucharest, adding to the famous arches from the Roman period. The Parc de la Ciutadella, or how I love to say the Parrots Park, is idyllic and probably the greenest oasis in the mega city of Barcelona. It invites you to relax, to rebound and to go for long walks. You can also use a rowing boat on the lake or take lovely photos of the proud ducks. The Olympic Port is right near the beach and offers 760 berths of yachts. Lovers of water sports can go yachting or practicing other types of sailing techniques here. Don't know about you, but I literally love the combination of visiting a great city plus having small relaxing breaks for swim and suntan. You can easily stop at Barceloneta metro station and from there you are minutes away from the beach. After having fun at the beach, you can easily take a bicycle and explore the surroundings of Barceloneta. You will enjoy the dedicated bike lanes and you will lose some extra calories that you've gained in the trip, eating tapas or paella. By riding bicycles, we had a lot of fun and this gave us the opportunity to film some unique scenes. Parc Güell is an enormous garden with stunning and distinct architectural elements designed by already famous architect Antoni Gaudi. The park is named after Eusebi Güell, a rich entrepreneur that had a great passion for Gaudi's work and who became his patron. If you are a fan of aesthetics and modern architecture, the place is most definitely worth visiting. It takes about 2 hours to cover all the major sections of Parc Güell. Normally there are huge lines since approximately 400 people enter the park every half an hour, so we recommend you to purchase your ticket online and avoid the endless queues. This green space measures 17 hectares and includes rounded forms, columns that look like tree trunks, animal figures and geometric shapes. Parc Güell is a magical and extreme unusual green space that will leave visitors astounded. The round trip for this scenic ride is 7.7 euros. The views of the city are spectacular. This funicular takes you to Tibidabo Hill. You will find here a Catholic church and an amusement park. Built between 1902 and 1961 and topped by a giant statue of Jesus, the church is an iconic feature of Barcelona's skyline and can be seen from most parts of the city. Tibidabo Amusement Park is among the oldest in the world still functioning. Rewards visitors with exceptional views of Barcelona. Barcelona's cathedral, or the Cathedral of the Holy Cross Saint Eulalia, is an example of 15th century Catholic Gothic architecture. Although the cathedral is not as famous as the Sagrada Familia, it is a magnificent Gothic-style temple beloved by locals and foreigners and should definitely be part of your visit list. Its surroundings will make you travel in time. A large queue of ducks made us laugh. Most probably they were waiting in line for lunch. Elborn Culture and Memory Center is much more than just a museum. Visitors can immerse themselves in the life of Barcelona around 1700. As a bonus tip, you definitely need to visit La Rambla. It is a large boulevard which will give you the definition of Barcelona. Good vibes, architecture, history, Spanish cuisine. In one phrase, the perfect travel destination designed for all tastes. It is not a secret that I deeply love Barcelona and its vibes. If this video helped you make an impression about Barcelona, please share it along, subscribe if you didn't already. I am Travel and Tell No One and can't wait to see you in the next one.